Fierce Healthcare article, because I think this is the part I want to drive home to people is Best Buy has really made a move. So during an earnings call back in March, Best Buy CEO Carrie Berry outlined that the company's health strategy focuses on three areas based on its strength in retail with an eye toward connecting patients and physicians beyond consumer health. The retailer also is focused on active aging with emergency response devices and services for seniors and virtual health to connect patients and physicians, including remote patient monitoring. Best Buy is in the healthcare business, and what they're banking on is that health systems aren't going to be expanding the number of beds they have on campus. They're going to be expanding the number of beds they service across the community, and they're going to be my bed and your bed with remote patient monitoring, age in place type devices. They're probably going to have to do a branding thing here, but essentially Geek Squad come into our home and set up these medical devices to essentially monitor us in whatever state we happen to be in, connect that back up to the health system, and away we go. We keep hearing about this. We saw that remote patient monitoring took off during the pandemic. Where does this go, and what implications does it have on healthcare?
Well, I love this. I think this plays on the strength of what Best Buy's been able to do the past few years, because they've reinvented themselves as an organization at the same time. Remember when it was just brick and mortar? You'd walk in, you buy a TV, they throw it in the back of your car, and off to the wind you went, and you got stuck setting it up at home. They realized as technology increased in its complexity and its pervasiveness, people weren't able to do it. That's where the Geek Squad came to play. So they've created a supply chain of services to send them into your home, high touch service in the home to solve those consumer issues. Like, I want the new TV for the Super Bowl. Here's the Geek Squad throwing it up on my wall and setting up my sound bar, my surround system, and everything else that goes into it. Now, home health. This is something we've been talking about for a long time.